So hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FX. On this video we'll be doing our short analysis for GBPJPY. So as you can see, I'll just go clearly. First of all, I'll go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the pair is still, I want to say the pair is still on an uptrend. That's what I want to say. It's still on an uptrend, but it's kind of like doing some kind of like retracement on the daily time frame. As we could see 2 days ago, that's this day, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and this is Thursday. So on Tuesday we had the formation of a bearish candle, and that's what happened throughout the day. The next day too was bearish, and as you can see right here, a very strong bearish candle. But today we are forming a bullish candle. So like I said, right, this particular area is a very strong area, and we have a lot of bulls in this particular area pushing the market upward. So if it was supposed to be full-time bearish, I think at this candle it must have broken this area and fallen down. As you can see, this is actually what I want to call a support zone, and the support zone has held for a couple of weeks now. I want to go to the 4-hour time frame for more in-depth analysis. In the 4-hour time frame, we could see that even though the pair fell down, because this is what happened here, it fell down to this area, it rose up to this particular area, and now it's kind of like falling back down to this area. But if you look at this candle forming right here, we are seeing that we're having some kind of like rejection to the upside. We're having rejection to the upside. Also in this area, we have rejection to the upsides, and it's forming bullish candles. As you can see, the rejection keep pulling up and pulling up. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I want to go to the hourly time frame for just some short analysis. Let's go to the hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, we are seeing that once price came to this area, this little area, it is forming. So once price came to this area, we could see that there's a battle between the bulls and the bears to actually push price beyond this area, or prices goes to the upside. As you can see, in this area where the battle between the bulls and the bear, and that's why in this area where the short consolidation, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 for 7 or 8 hours, we had a short consolidation. And what happened? The bulls took over the market and pushed the market up to this area. Now it's forming a little bit of retracement. As we could see, this doji candle forming here, it's more of like a retracement candle, because when the doji candle formed and we had some bearish candle forming, we could see that when it got to this area, the bulls pushed the market over again, and now we can see that the bulls are trying to push the market back to the upside. So I'll be expecting price to go to reach this area before we could see any kind of reaction from the market. Probably the bears may take in and go for a little bit of retracement before it finally goes up to the upside. But if you watch my analysis for last week, you will know exactly what I said. I said that when prices will get to this area, it will form some, it will just go down a little bit, and that's what happened. Prices fell down a little bit, but I never knew that it will fall down to this kind of extent. But as you can see, the markets are very unpredictable, and right now we're having the US Senate election, so a lot of things are happening right now in the market. So you can't really just like flow with the flow of the trend. You have to be flexible also, or else you'll get taken out. So as of now, I'll say that this market is still trading in a channel, and I'll be very careful with my positions if I'm supposed to trade this pair. If I'm going for any position, I'll be going for very short positions. When I make my profit, I'm out. I don't waste time in the market. So as of now, I'll say that this market is trending in this area. It's like trading between this channel, and I will wait for price to actually hit this channel and move out of this channel before I know my fate when it comes to GBPJPY. So let me just look a little bit on these things. Let me just go back to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, now let me look on the stochastics and the RSI. Now if you're looking at this stochastics, you'll see that at this area we're actually at an oversold area for the stochastics, and that is why we're seeing some positive movement in the GBPJPY, because we're at an oversold area. But also if you go to the RSI, the RSI shows us that we are still trading in a downside. We're trading in the downside, but I just want to like believe that this is actually a retracement. Is just kind of like falling down, but after, when it comes back to this area, it will move up to, it will go to the upside. But with that said, when I'm trading, I always tell people, when I'm trading, I'm very cautious of every single thing, because the markets are very shady. It can move to the positive direction, then the next day it goes to another direction. So be very careful. You just have to trade, make your money, and go out. That's it. So what are the predictions for today for the GBPJPY? I would say, as of now, if I want to trade, I'll be trading in the 15-minute time frame, and I'll just be looking for some, like that's what's happening right now. In the 15-minute time frame, we could see some consolidation, so I may just be going in for buys. I can like wait. When it comes to this area, I'll buy. When it goes to this area, I'll sell. So I will not just be trading for a long time. I'll just be trading for some very short period, something like this. Just trading between these areas. When it goes to this area, I sell a little bit. When it comes down, I'll buy. When it comes up, I sell. So I'll just be trading like that. Then I'm watching the market to see what's actually going on in the market long term. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching. If you're new, subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.